oddest looking Mickey Mouse. Good morning all. Today is an Animal Kingdom kind of day. It's pretty cool at the minute. It's 20 to 11. Let's do it. Gonna head straight into Pandora. See if we can get on Flight of Passage. Current wait time is 45 minutes, which is pretty reasonable. Our time for Avatar now.
We need you to enter the room and stand on your assigned number. Please make sure everybody can see the screen. Okay, Dr. Stevens, they're ready.
Can everyone see me? Great! Welcome to the Avatar program. Soon, you're going to have a chance to undertake an amazing Na'vi rite of passage, flying on the back of this powerful animal called an Ikran, or as we call it, a Banshee. These are animals like tigers, jaguars, seals. The Banshee is one of these important animals. Now, let's find you your Avatar matches. Alright, you've all been matched with avatars.
It is a cool ride, that. Clever how you can like feel it breathing and that. Yeah, it's good. Quite difficult to film footage on that ride. Tusker House, they do a really good breakfast. So we're going to head over to Asia, do Everest and Kali River Rapids. Get my shoes wet. Good times. Oddest looking Mickey Mouse. Doesn't appear to be any monkeys out today. So we've made it to the river rapids. It's currently a 15-minute wait. Which is pretty decent. It's getting warmer now though.
You want to do it?
So the landing lane for this one is at the back of the ride. Where? Oh, aye. Found them snoozing. Oh, thank you. Yeah, some of these are soaking. What, the wet one?
No, not.
I don't want to get my shoes soaked.
Not wet one.
All right.
Move all the way around the back. There's all those available.
My poor feet are going to get soaked.
No, never mind.
Oh, never mind. Oh dear. Oh.
You are joking, man. Oh, that's unlucky. Oh, go again, I think.
Bloody hell. Yeah. Well, my feet did okay, but not the rest of me. Yeah, the lightning lane's at the exit of the park, exit of the ride. Well, I'm soaking now after that, so we're just going to grab something to eat, have a seat in the sun. Just looking at the wait times today, it's pretty quiet. 15 minutes for Everest. Yeah, 15 minutes. Dinosaurs 40 minutes. That's probably because it's going. People will be riding it for the last time. I'm not sure what date it goes, but it will be going. Yeah, it's not a bad wait times for today. 40 minutes for Nava River journey. What did all this come to? 54.81. Yeah, Safari Amber 11.72. Well, I'm all full of food, so now seems the right time to go and do Everest. Well, a bit cooler now, so he's out. Not moving, though. Oh, there we go. No, just hanging around.
My mum called me a monkey.
Yeah. He's just hanging about. Let's get this to line up. Can't see. What's about there? Seems dead in here today. Very quiet, isn't it? Suppose the crowd levels was one of the reasons we started coming in September every year, because it was always relatively low. Certainly increased after COVID. Seems to be getting back to normal again now. Gone down to 5 minutes. Pretty much means no wait. Yeah, there's your 5-minute queue. Generally, if it shows us 5 minutes, it's just a walk on. Oh yeah, we've got the back row.
Once on board, secure all gear.
as there was no wait on Everest, we decided to do it again. Like going for a tumble dryer, slightly drier, and I feel just a tiny bit more sick than I did before. Avatar Flight of Passage 25 minutes. It is definitely a slow day today. So we're going to head over to the dinosaur ride now. Dinosaur ride's being changed into a new Indiana Jones ride. I think work's due to take place this year, 2024, and then the area is going to be rethemed to a South American land, I think, featuring Encanto. There used to be more rides here. There used to be like a cat and mouse roller coaster in this corner, so they've gradually been taking things away over the years. But this will all be South American themed around Encanto. So this could be the last time we ever ride this, so it makes sense that we do. Still a 20-minute queue.
Very end of the Cretaceous period. That's where you're going today.
I've arrived, it seems, just in time to correct a little misstatement.
Dr. Marsh.
That is impossibly close to the giant asteroid impact that destroyed most life forms on Earth. Our tools are designed to take you to the early Cretaceous period, and I can assure you that all time rovers have been securely locked on those coordinates.
That's right. See? Securely locked. Access denied.
Continue.
Flash photography? I wouldn't. It alters the homing signal, and that's not good. Oh, and one more thing. Those locked coordinates? We're in. Now, here's the drill. You follow the homing signal to the Iguanodon, then I'll enlarge the transport field, and boom! You're back with one additional passenger, extra large. Let's roll!
Air conditioning is nice in here. Oh, it is warm now. Soak up some of the AC in here before we go on the safari. Right, come on, let's go and see some animals. Still 5 minutes. Literally nobody here.
Sante's out of warning. That means thank you in Swahili. Another word he likes to use here in Harambase, Twende, which means let's go. Jump everyone, my name is Destiny. I'll be your safari guide.
The breeze is nice.
To the Harambase Wildlife Reserve. A few safety reminders before we get out there. We'd like to remind everyone to please this very large leafless tree here to the right. That's a baobab tree, and it can go leafless for up to 9 months out of the year to conserve water. Same thing, but anywho, there to the right. Ankole cattle, one of the only domesticated species here on the reserve. They're also called Watusi cattle after the tribe that first domesticated them. Closer look at the springback that I talked about earlier to the left. Gonna go back to the Ankole though. Their horn's pretty long. The springback, like I said. These Ankole cattle horns really long, get around 6 to 8 feet long, and they might seem pretty heavy, but they're actually really light. They have Ankole cattle. A group of giraffes is called a tower. Very fitting for their group name because they're really tall. They get around 18 to 20 feet tall fully grown. They're going to be around 6 feet tall right after they're born. And these giraffes spend most of their day eating, like a lot of the animals here in the savannah. They actually only sleep for around 30 minutes a day. Anywho, to the right, like I said, African elephant. These guys have blood vessels in their ears, so when they do that little fanning, flapping motion with their ears like that one's doing right now, it can cool them off up to 15 degrees. And one of the top 5 largest land mammals as well. These white rhinos can weigh between 4,000 and 5,000 pounds.
Yeah, don't run this way. And I think that's going to be calling it a day for us today now. 20 past 3. Been a decent day. I think we're just going to escape the rain actually. So yeah, thanks for watching. As always, catch you on the next one.